When we hear the phrase, "you have the right to remain silent," it often evokes images from countless movies and TV shows. But what are Miranda rights? And why are they so crucial in the context of law enforcement and justice? Let's unravel the history and significance of Miranda rights and understand why they play a pivotal role in the legal system. Miranda rights are a set of warnings that law enforcement officers in the United States are required to give to individuals when they are taken into police custody. These rights stem from the landmark Supreme Court case, Miranda v. Arizona, decided in 1966. The case centered around Ernesto Miranda, who was arrested and confessed to serious crimes during police interrogation without being informed of his rights to silence and legal counsel. The Supreme Court ruled that Miranda's Fifth and Sixth Amendment rights were violated, emphasizing the necessity for procedural safeguards during police interrogations. So, what exactly do these rights entail? When a person is placed under arrest, they must be informed of four essential rights: the right to remain silent, the warning that anything they say can be used against them in a court of law, the right to consult with an attorney prior to and during questioning, and the right to have an attorney appointed if they cannot afford one. This ensures that individuals understand their constitutional protections and are safeguarded against compelled self-incrimination. These rights are not just a formality, they serve a critical function in preserving the integrity of the criminal justice system. By ensuring that suspects are aware of their rights, the system seeks to prevent coercive interrogation practices and protect individual freedoms. However, it's important to note that Miranda rights only apply when a person is in police custody and subject to interrogation. If a person voluntarily approaches police to make statements or engages in casual conversation without being detained, these warnings may not be necessary. Despite their importance, there are some misconceptions about Miranda rights. Many believe that if police fail to read them to a suspect, the arrest itself is invalid. This isn't necessarily true. While not declaring these rights can lead to the exclusion of any statements made during interrogation from being used in court, it doesn't automatically invalidate the arrest. This principle means that the physical evidence discovered outside of the interrogation following a Miranda violation might still be admissible. It's also crucial to understand that a suspect must clearly assert their right to silence or to an attorney, as simply remaining silent doesn't automatically invoke these protections under the current legal standards. Once a suspect does assert these rights, police are generally required to cease questioning. The introduction of Miranda rights has fundamentally shaped the landscape of law enforcement and the protection of civil liberties in the United States. By ensuring individuals are aware of their rights, the justice system aims to balance the scales between law enforcement authority and individual freedoms. As we navigate the complexities of legal processes, understanding our rights is not just a matter of knowledge, it's an essential component of justice. Thank you for joining us today in exploring what Miranda rights truly mean and their lasting impact on the legal system.